Hello everyone, hope your hair is ready for a hairstyle. Make a ponytail and split them into two parts and have a loop created on the right side using a hair loop and drop the left tail into the right loop and make it come down. Then with the tail we already had split them into two and have it braided across the tail. Then how does it take a braid and secure the end with the rubber band and roll the braid into a clockwise direction around the lump we have and secure a tip underneath the bun we created. And how the whole bun in place by dropping simple hairpin on either side of the bun. Then after that stretch the bun a little bit for boosting out the volume. Then to decorate even more further, dropping a hairpin. Grab the top section of the hair and split them into three parts and how to braid it. You know how to braid it? Keep crossing the tails until the left one goes to the right and the right goes to the left and continue doing it until you reach the bottom part. This is how you should braid it. But this braid is very simple and it's different. You have to borrow excessive hair from either side of your hair and have it in between the braids gap once when you do one cycle of the braiding. So this is how you should braid it in this kind of hairstyle. So do the braiding until you reach the bottom until you empty every hair in the bottom section of the hair. Then after that, do the braiding as normal as you would do later on and secure the end with the rubber band. Then once when you're done with it, fold the braid inwards and make it to a top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin through it. Then after that, to decorate your hairstyle even more further, drop your favorite hairpin in the middle of the braid we have. Grab your hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the rubber and drop it inside with the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have. Have it as a ponytail and split the tail into three equal parts and have rubber band attach the middle part on each of the tail. Then after that, create a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it. Do the same for all the three tails as well, making a twisted band. Then combine all the three tails together with the rubber band at the bottom and stuff the tail to the last part of the rubber band and bend it down and have it inside the middle part, making it as a bun and move the entire bun to the top and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hairpin to the rubber band. Make a ponytail and create a gap behind it using a finger. Drop the tail into it, make it come down, tighten it a little bit, then comb your hair and have it split them into three parts and have it braided across each other in a thicker manner. Do the braiding until you reach the bottom and have the end secured with a rubber band. Then fold the braid to half and attach it to the rubber band at the first of the twisted band and move to the top, have it as a bun and drop in your favorite hairpin on top of it. Make a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and have a rubber band attach the top part and create a loop and drop the tail into it. Make it come from bottom to top and have it come down and scrunch it to the top, making a bow tie lump. Then secure the lump by having a little rubber band around it. Then with the remaining tail we have comb it and have a rubber band attach the middle part and create a loop in the middle one and drop the tail into it, making a twisted band. Drop the entire loop around the lump we created and split the tail into two and twist it and make it at the bottom and have it tied with the rubber band, stuffing it inside the bun we created. Then have the whole bun in place and secure it and decorate even more further by dropping your favorite hairpin. Grab the sides of your hair, tie in the middle and drop it inside to get a twisted band with the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have it as a ponytail and have a rubber band touch the middle part and create a loop and drop the tail into it, making another twisted band. Drop the entire tail into the parent loop on the twisted band, making it as a bun and secure the whole bun in place by dropping little hairpin and decorate with your lovely hairpin on top of that. Grab the hair from the sides and tie in the middle of the rubber band, drop it inside and grab the sides of the hair from the bottom section and have the right one dropped into the parent's loop on the right side and do the same vice versa for the left one as well. And how all the tails combine together with the rubber band, making a lovely ponytail and how another rubber band attach the middle part of the tail and how one more rubber band attach the bottom middle part as well. Then after that, stuff the bottom one into the middle one, making as a bun and move the entire bun to the top and have it in place by dropping a beautiful hairpin to the rubber band and securing it in place. Then thank you everyone for watching this video. There is so much of upcoming hairstyles in the next video. Stay tuned.